my friend! Di ba sabi mo gusto mo maging seaman kapag college ka na? Pero bakit hanggang ngayon hindi mo pa rin piniprepare yung katawan mo para sa mga physical exams and training day ninyo? Naku! Baka pag dumating yung training day nyo, mahimatay ka niyan, my friend! Pero don't you worry, cause I got you. Sagot ka ni Kuya Mikey. At sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang mga base exercises na kailangan mong ma-master para pagdating ng training day sa college, hindi ka na mahihirapan. Kapag dating kasi ng college, my friend, especially kapag maritime yung course mo, semi-military yung mga training natin. Ibig sabihin, marami tayong mga physical exercises and training na ginagawa para mapalakas yung isip at katawan natin. So kung ayaw mo mabansagang mahinang nilalang sa training day nyo, panoorin mo tong video na to and please like, comment, follow, and share nyo na rin tong video na to para makita ng ibang kadete na nangangarap maging seafarer. Ano pa hinihintay natin? Umpisa na natin yan. Unang-una sa listahan natin, syempre, yung hindi mawawala sa kahit anong training, nandyan yung push-up. So kapag magpo-push up ka, make sure na tama yung form mo para hindi ka mapilayan. Kailangan, para kang tumutulak ng paganto. Dapat ang iniisip mo, pinupush mo yung lupa pababa. Proper form, patigasin mo yung core mo, and kapag nag-execute ka, do it the right way, 45 degrees. Gawin mo to ng 10 repetition. 3 sets. Next exercise naman natin is sit up. Gagawin mo tong 3 variation na to. Yung normal sit up. 1. And also do crunches on both sides. 3 sets, 10 repetition. Next naman na ito is yung walang katapusang squat thrust. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! So sa squat thrust naman, pinapalakas nito yung overall body mo, yung core, yung shoulder, pati yung legs. So make sure na gagawin mo ito ng tama. This has 4 counts in 1 repetition. So do it like this. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2. Do this 3 sets. 10 repetition. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Our next exercise is mountain climbers. Meron tong 4 counts in 1 repetition, so do this 3 sets, 10 repetition. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next exercise naman natin is flutters kick. Meron din itong 4 counts in 1 repetition. So do this 3 sets in 20 repetition. 1, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go sa last one. So for our next and last exercise, ito yung tinatawag nating 8 count push-up o tinatawag din itong burpees. Kung saan combination nito ng push-up and jump after your exercise set. So do it this way. Ready? 1, 2, push up, balik, talon. That will be your 1 count. Okay, do this 3 sets and 10 repetition. Okay, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, push up, back, back.
Sagot ka ni Kuya Mikey.
Huwag mo na rin palang kalimutan samahan ng 30 minutes jogging everyday para maging season na lang sa'yo yung PFT or yung physical fitness test. That will be the exercises that will prepare you para sa college training mo. So, kung meron kang natutunan sa video na to, please like, comment, save, follow, and share nyo na rin itong video na to para makita ng ibang kadete na nangangarap maging seafarer. Sagot ka ni Kuya Mikey. Bye-bye!